I remember that many ladies, including elderly, were waiting for hours and hours to take part, and there was some, slight concerns raised that we're having to wait so long. All of a sudden, when it was the time for the ladies, Hazur arrived, out of the blue. No one knew that he was coming. So one lady, when Hazur left afterwards, she wrote in one of the comment books that I'd been waiting for hours and hours, and I had become almost exhausted waiting so long. And I saw Hazur all of a sudden in front of me, standing there. And in 1 second, all that exhaustion, all that tiredness just disappeared and turned into the best happiness I could ever imagine.